मी प्राध्यापक तरंगे सर, महाराष्ट्र कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी निलंगा, ऑर्गॅनिक केमिस्ट्री थर्ड शिकत असताना लास्ट पिरियडमध्ये इनॅन्शोमेरिझम बघितलं. द नॉन सुपर इम्पोजेबल मिरर इमेजेस ऑफ ईच अदर आर कॉल्ड इनॅन्शोमेरिझम, ऑप्टिकल आयसोमेरिझम. डायस्टेरिओ आयसोमेरिझम आजच्या पिरियडमध्ये डिस्कस करूया. These two structures are of D3Os एक erythrodes. The isomers which are not mirror images of each other is called distereoisomers. Structure 1 and structure 2 are not mirror images of each other, therefore they are called as distereoisomers. What do you mean by distereoisomerism? They are the isomers which are not mirror images of each other. जर तुम्ही ह्या दोघांचं जर मिरर इमेजेस काढलात तर परफेक्टली मिरर इमेजेस येत नाहीत. दे हॅव सेम मॉलिक्युलर फॉर्म्युला, सेम स्ट्रक्चरल फॉर्म्युला, they have same molecular formula, same structural formula, but they are not mirror images of each other, therefore they are called as a distereoisomerism. The isomers which are not mirror images of each other, which are not mirror images of each other, are called distereoisomers. and phenomenon is known as distereoisomerism. Distereoisomerism. स्ट्रक्चर काढा बोर्डावरले. खाली लिहा. द स्ट्रक्चर 1 रोमन लिपीतलं and 2 are not mirror images of each other. झालं टाका. मेझो कंपाउंड. नेक्स्ट बीट इज मेझो कंपाउंड. एक्झाम्पल बघा. जर तुम्ही याच्या सेंटर मधून जर सिमेट्री काढली तर काय होईल बघा. द कंपाउंड which containing at least 2 chiral carbon atoms. The compound which containing at least 2 carbon asymmetric carbon atoms having, मग आतापर्यंत आपल्याला माहित असतंय asymmetric carbon atom shows optical activity. But this compound are optically inactive compound due to this plane of symmetry. या plane of symmetry मुळे हा कंपाउंड ऑप्टिकली इनॅक्टिव्ह आहे, म्हणून यांना म्हणलं जातंय मेझो कंपाउंड्स. द कंपाउंड्स which containing at least 2 asymmetric carbon atom in bracket chiral carbon atom and they are optically inactive compound having plane of symmetry is known as meso. 3 पॉइंट आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज at least 2 asymmetric carbon atom. Second is ऑप्टिकली इनएक्टिव कंपाउंड. Third is a plane of symmetry. If these three conditions are applicable to compound, therefore they are called as a mesocompound. The compounds which containing at least two asymmetric carbon atom, which are optically inactive compound and having plane of symmetry, is known as mesocompound. त्याला कोणते कंपाउंड म्हणायचे? मेसोकंपाउंड. लिहा. The compound which containing at least two asymmetric carbon atom having optically inactive compound, having optically inactive compound and having plane of symmetry, is known as mesocompound. बोर्डावरलं लिहून घ्या. दिस इज plane of symmetry. This symmetry is known as plane of symmetry. आणि हे तीन important point आहेत which are applicable to mesocompound. Write down the example. नेक्स्ट पिरियड मध्ये आपण एलिमेंट ऑफ सिमेट्री बघू. ओके.